Swar sir. He is a coordinator of our university. Dr. H.S. Lunge sir. Dr. B.V. Hande, he is a district coordinator of Amravati district. Dr. G.N. Chaudhary sir, he is a academic member of our university as well as teacher of this college. And Dr. P.N. Akpure sir. And all my student friends. At the outset, I congratulate this college to organize this such a mega event. Right from last 3 years, I think this college hosting the district level Avishkar. That is because of the Dr. Vijay Thakre sir. He is a principal of this college, and he used to, and he is a motivator of this event to host this event, district level event of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Usually, you know, in Avishkar there are 5 categories and 4 different levels. You have to present your models or posters, whatever the things in tune with the research. That means as on the basis of research guidelines. You have to present your findings, placed before the state level committee. This is what we called it as a pre-screening test we implemented for each and every district. That means Akola district have its own pre-screening test. We have 5 districts in that affiliated to the university, and that's why we put all the students from 5 districts to the university level, right? And after university level screening, we put this team to the state level Avishkar. Whenever there is a selection in state level Avishkar, after that there is one more thing is there that we called it as Anvention. That Anvention totally organized by the AIU, Association of Indian Universities. But prior to the AIU convention, we put all these entries in to the state. And in the state, these 5 categories and different levels that organize by judging by the different communities in the jurisdiction of Maharashtra as well as in the jurisdiction of India. Whenever there is a judging panel is there, that we always pick up the judges from different institutions rather than university. Other than universities, we pick up all these judges from different institutions. Well, when we present one category, that means most of the times judges that always fall under the same category. Okay. That means suppose say for example when we talking about the medicine and pharmacy, then you will find medicine and pharmacy persons. That means the 2 different walks of the life sciences. That one is medicine and other one is pharmacy. We always put the judges from the one side is medicine and on other hand there is one judge from the pharmacy. That's why you have to prove your findings as on the basis of the legislative procedures as well as the research procedures laid down by the institutions. You know, say for example for medicine and pharmacy there are many more journals in medicine. Rheumatology is one of the journal and many more journals are there. Dental physiology journal is there. That we put all these findings, and you have to collaborate your findings, or you have to match your findings with the already published data. This is what one thing. Second thing is what? Whenever there are many more projects are there. Whenever there is a competition, you have to prove yourself as a presenter before the judges, in tune with the earlier research as well as the research finding of others. Then and then only there is a chance of winning of your models. At the outset, I congratulate those who are selected for university level competition. Those who are not selected for the university level competition, they put their findings after that means the in 2019 Avishkar. Whenever you are, suppose you are a student of first year, then you have again two chance to put your findings before the state level committee. When you completed your graduation, then the same thing happens with you. Suppose you are not at all selected to the Avishkar, that means the state level team, then you put your finding for PG level, for PG as a PG student. If you are failed to that means the back the prize in PG level, then you have one more chance is there. That is what the PPG chance is there. If you are not able to put your findings at PPG level, then again you have one chance more. If you are suppose you are entering into the teacher community, that is what the teacher level. This is what this field is open for all. That means right from the beginning, from student to teachers, right from that means the student, researcher and teacher. This is what the theme of Avishkar. That's why the all walks of the educational field that come together and put their findings on the before the state level committee. One more thing is that when we are talking about the AIU convention, that means the Association of Indian University Convention, Anvention. As in the Anvention, there is no concrete level designed by the Anvention team. In Anvention, we put all the UG, PG, post-PG and teacher category student under the 5 categories. Rather 4 categories, not 5 categories. 4 categories are there. And we put all these inventions. That means your competitor is maybe teacher, maybe PG, postgraduate student, maybe PhD scholar. That's why the competition as in Anvention is more complicated than as compared to the state level convention. That's why you have to watch each and everything meticulously. You put your findings as on the basis of earlier assumptions put forth by the researchers. Say for example, when I am watching one model from engineering, I think in medicine and pharmacy, I put my some remarks for that model. Just you have to calibrate your model with existing phenomena. This is what happens in the state level convention. Again, at the last, I again congratulate you all and welcome you all for the university level Avishkar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Way inspiring us to strive hard and achieve more. Now, I request a navigator of flagship of Avishkar for our university, Dr. Anand Aswar, coordinator Avishkar Cell, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, to guide us.
I am not here to guide, just to share with our experiences. Section Marship Mahosai Panjabrao Deshmukh, Karmavji Gadge Baba, chairman of this valedictory program, my esteemed friend, Principal Dr. Vijay Thakre, my colleague, my friends and my classmate, Dr. Ajas Lunge, Dr. G.N. Chaudhary, my own student and member of the Avishkar Cell, Dr. Prashant Gaonde, and the hero of this day, and again I may consider him as my own student, Dr. Hande, who leads the Amravati district successfully, not only this year but earlier this also. Other faculty members from this college, distinguished juries, member of university authorities, and all my young scientists of the Avishkar. So before taking your much time, at the outset I must congratulate all of you for your active participation, not only active, enthusiastic participations, and made our today's event a grand success. So definitely credit goes to Principal Thakre, Hande and his team also. So all of these person as well as all of you also deserve for the compliments, and I sincerely acknowledge you, sir, for your commitment, dedications and making the Avishkar strengthen. So on behalf of university, I really, I may say, grateful to you, and I hope in future also you will continue the same support rather than more support, taking involvement of other young and dynamic researcher of your own college. Secondly, I must congratulate our last year state level winners, particularly two heroes from this college, Yash Puri and Pratik Deshmukh also. And this year, I expect more heroes, not only from this college, but from the Amravati district Avishkar also. And I wish that our team not only lead a particular category at the state level, but we must grab the entire state level championship also. So on this occasion, I really expect, as you are very good in research, as my colleague told you, and expressed his impression also as far as your models are concerned. And the basic purpose behind organizing this Avishkar is very simple. Everybody is knowing the things, but not only applying the things. And Avishkar has different motivations. Because it is a research festival, I may say conventions. आणि रिसर्च ज्ञान शोधण्याची कला म्हणजे संशोधन. आणि या कलेला काय लागतं, तुम्हाला आवड लागते. अस्वार सरनं सांगून किंवा हांडे सरनं सांगून चालत नाही. इट्स रिक्वायर्ड. याच्यात तळमळ पाहिजे, थोडीशी सातत्य पाहिजे, जिद्द पाहिजे थोडीशी. कारण रिसर्च अशी आहे, गेम तुम्हाला आवड असते कुठल्या तरी गेमची, तुम्ही कुठल्या तरी कलेत तरबेज असतात, संगीत म्युझिक त्याच्यात सुद्धा असतं आव्हानमध्ये. पण दिस इज ए रेसियस फेस्टिवल कन्व्हेन्शन, आणि या चालना मिळण्यासाठीच आपल्या गव्हर्नरनी हा एक आविष्कार इव्हेंट सुरू केलेला आहे. आणि 2006 पासून हा सक्सेसफुली एंटायर स्टेट organizing this event also, and I am very happy to tell that last year our 3 students won the state level scholarship under the banner of our Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University also, and this year I expect more scholarship. कारण त्या 6 कॅटेगरीच्या स्कॉलरशिप असतात, and in all 6 category I expect this year that our student will bring the laurel to our university and add more feather in the cap of university also. So since July we are taking the efforts to making this event a grateful as well as a grand success. But somehow it is very unfortunate that some of our teacher colleagues are only restricted to themselves, either their teaching or classroom, and most of them reply me also, sir, what is Avishkar, what to tell, and it is not your fault, it is our fault. So we teacher are not making ourselves aware about the activity. Even when I reply several mail communication to college, only I got the reply from 6 colleges. When we have 386 colleges, and in Amravati University, particular Amravati district, we have 115 college, active colleges also. So only few colleges giving a response, and the people thinking that why we should participate. What is the student? This is the era of global competitions. Unless and until you have some skill, unless and until make your marketing in the society, nobody is going to ask you, nobody is providing you. And so in order to compete, and why do you participate in the competitions? Very simple reasons. You get opportunity to differentiate yourself. You get opportunity to excel your skill also. You get an opportunity platform. This is a very good platform. And third is very important. Sometime you may get the appointment or job also, and you may win the prize also. So these are the only simple 3 things. Even if you keep in your mind, I am sure you will be successful entrepreneurs. And since last 12 years, this is the 13 years of Avishkar. Since last 12 years, fortunately our university leading very good in the Avishkar teams, and some of our colleagues are working at state level also, and through that we are getting good feedback as well as I may say the boost also to encourage. And so at our level, as a university coordinator, I am trying to encourage, inculcate and inspire not only to my colleagues but all the students from different branches. So there are different 6 category and 4 levels, and in all we have to send 48 contingent, means 48 participants to the state level. Unfortunately, last 12 years we have not crossed even 40. Maximum आपण 39 पाठवू शकलो, 48 ऑफिशियली पाठवू शकतो, 2 बोनस विथ द परमिशन ऑफ युनिव्हर्सिटी व्हाईस चान्सलर आपण पाठवू शकतो, पण मॅक्झिमम आपण 39च पाठवू शकलो. बऱ्याचशा याच्यामध्ये एंट्रीज नसतात कारण विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये अवेअरनेस नसतो. आणि दिस इज व्हेरी गुड प्लॅटफॉर्म, आय मे से. Don't think otherwise. It is very good platform because the present era is entrepreneurial era and you have to skill. Title दिला आपण. Innovative skill. Title दिला आपण ना for India. Title is any sustainable development. These are the things. Very essential all these things. And so while selecting topic, as Organizer has rightly out, you should select a such topic which should be useful for the society. And last year both of our colleagues won prize only on that basis. म्हणजे जज जे इव्हॅल्युएशन करतात त्या इव्हॅल्युएशन मधला सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट असतो तुमच्या त्याचा समाजासाठी काही उपयोग आहे का, म्हणून जे काही तुम्ही ज्ञान शोधाल त्याचा उपयोग सोसायटीसाठी काही होतो का, आणि जर सोसायटीसाठी होत असेल तर नक्की 50% तिथंच तुम्ही विन करता कॉम्पिटिशन. दुसरा कंपोनंट राहतो त्याच्यातला, तुम्ही त्या तुमच्या मॉडेल प्रोजेक्टसाठी काय तयारी केली, कसं त्याचं बनवलं थोडक्यामध्ये, आणि त्याच्या प्रिन्सिपल काय. देअर नीड ए थेरी, बिकॉज विदाउट थेरी विदाउट प्रिन्सिपल कुठलंच इन्व्हेन्शन किंवा इनोव्हेशन होत नाही. अँड देअर इज अ बिग डिफरन्स, आय थिंक ऑल ऑफ मस्ट बी अवेअर. डिस्कवरी, इन्व्हेन्शन अँड इनोव्हेशन्स. मोबाईल इज इनोव्हेशन. Invention, you know these things. Several times we are talking about. So we need innovations, and we are moving from the knowledge-based society to the society of innovations, and that is why Avishkar playing its very important roles. So friends, as a university coordinator, it is my humble request to all of you, take the active participation in the Avishkar and show your skill. I am sure everybody has a very good skill, very good talent also, and Avishkar is a platform. While selecting model, while presenting model, you have to do two things. First, you have to keep in your mind. पहिले आविष्कार काय? It is the expression of creativity. म्हणजे डोक्यात एक इमॅजिन करायचं थोडंसं, and then you bring into on poster, आणि पोस्टर मध्ये शॉर्टलिस्ट झाले, then you come to the PowerPoint presentations. So this is the idea. आणि हे शोध लागले आज आम्ही ज्या खुर्च्यावर मी नेहमी सांगतो, these all chairs came through the innovations only. कोणाला कुठला तरी त्रास होत होता, बसता येत नव्हतं खाली, काहीतरी व्यवस्था केली आणि नंतर मॉडिफाय बिकम एंटरप्रेनर. आज करोडोची मालिका आहे. तसे सगळेच लोक गुगल वेबसाईट वापरतात सगळेच. पूर्वी तुम्ही बघता रेल्वेचं आपले रिफंड होते, खूप उशिरा मिळायचे, आता आपल्याला एका दिवसात रिफंड होतात. दीज आर द इनोव्हेशन, मॉडिफिकेशन. अँड माय यंग स्टुडंट आर व्हेरी ब्रिलियंट, व्हेरी जिनियस. दे हॅव डिफरंट आयडिया इन देअर माइंड. ह्या संधी आहेत तुम्हाला थोड्याशा. साध्या साध्या गोष्टी असतात. मोस्ट ऑफ वी बिलॉंग टू द ॲग्रो बेस्ड. शेतामध्ये सगळेच युरिया टाकतात, खताचं फर्टिलायझर ॲज ए मायक्रोन्यूट्रियंट्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम युरिया इव्हॉपरेट होतो. सो व्हाय यू नॉट थॉट सम टाइम युरिया मधला कंपोनंट असतो अमोनिया, आणि अमोनिया स्लो रिलीज जर होत असेल तो फर्टिलायझरचा चांगला रोल करेल आणि लॉंग टर्म तुम्हाला मिळेल. सिंपल थिंकिंग असतात छोट्या छोट्या. त्यासाठी निंबोडीचं खत इज द बेस्ट अल्कोक्साईड. छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी असतात युटिलिटी. म्हणून तुम्ही ह्या छोट्या छोट्या आयडिया घ्यायच्या, म्हणजे एनिथिंग इन अँड अराउंड यू विच विल बी युजफुल फॉर द सोसायटी. आणि याची ब्युटी काय आहे आविष्कारची? एनी डिसिप्लिन, टेक पार्ट इन एनी डिसिप्लिन. म्हणजे रिस्ट्रिक्शन नाही. इफ आय एम फ्रॉम केमिस्ट्री or if I belong to science stream, only I should restrict to science. And this is the unique features of this Avishkar. If I belong to commerce, I may take part in engineering technology, I may take part in medicine, pharmacy. And this is the only events where the interdisciplinary concept involved. And so don't think yourself, I belong to commerce, I belong to BA. तुमच्यासारखे यंग विद्यार्थी असतात, त्यांच्याच आयडिया असतात, म्हणजे ब्रेन चाइल्ड जे म्हणतो आपण, वेगळ्या आयडिया ज्या असतात. So don't restrict yourself to only your classroom, only your subject. Just widen your horizon of knowledge. And याचा फायदा झाला, those who have participated in today's Avishkar, I am sure they must have gone through the different books, at least few books, at least some journals. Knowledge तुमचं वाढलं, माझंही वाढलं. आणि मी आविष्कारच्या फ्लायवरच लिहिला आहे, स्लोगन आम्ही लिहिली आहे. Take the risk in life. If you win, you lead. If you lose, you can guide. आम्ही त्या फ्लायवरच लिहिलं आहे सगळं असं. म्हणून घाबरायचं नसतं. यू शुड नॉट हेजिटेट इन युअर माइंड. सो दिस इज द व्हेरी गुड अपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर यंगस्टर, नॉट ओनली यंगस्टर, टू माय टीचर कलिग्स ऑल्सो, टू एक्सप्लोर देअर हिडन टॅलेंट for the benefit society. Whatever you do, just think about the societal upliftment, societal usefulness. I am sure 50% chances itself there to win the competitions. Secondly, how much team efforts are there involved? How systematic you prepare your model or posters? How you language? What are the fonts